Hello everybody, welcome to judycentral.com online classes for law exam. So today I will be dealing with you the solved previous year question paper of Jamia Millia Islamia entrance exam of the year 2016. So this is the last part of the session. Before starting this video, I would request all of you to kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So there are total number of 60 questions which we are going to deal with you today, and the subjective part will be dealt in the next session. So let us start with our first question. Question number 1. The 97th amendment to the constitution is option number D, amended its article 19 and added to it part 9b. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a complainant under the Consumer Protection Act 1986 in India? This is option number C, a retail dealer. 3. Maximum number of partners in partnership firm which carries a banking business is 10. This is it's 10 as per option number B, Banking Regulation Act 1949. 4. Sanjay and Radha, the two classmates, were playing in the tag. Radha was hit and within a few minutes caught Sanjay. Rather than lightly tapping him, however, she hit him in the jaw with her fist, breaking one of his teeth. She had not intended to break a tooth, only to smack him in front. Sanjay brings a battery action against Radha to recover for his broken tooth. Which of the following statement is most accurate? This is option number 1. A. Sanjay will prevail because Radha, in exercising her right of self-defense, exceeded the force reasonably necessary to repel Sanjay's attack. Question number 5. The conviction of an accused is foremost and primarily preceded on is option number B, presumption of innocence. Question number 6. Under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, a mother is this is option number D, entitled to have separate accommodation from son. Question number 7. Lex injusta non est lex has which of the following meanings? This is option number C, an unjust law is not law. Question number 8. Judges of the ICJ are these option number B, elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council. Question number 9. The earliest Indian statute to regulate the relationship between employer and his workman, this is option number A, Trade Dispute Act 1929. Question number 10. GATT has been replaced by, this is option number C, WTO, World Trade Organization. Question number 11. VAT is a option number C, is a multi-stage tax, option number C. 12. Oral evidence under section 60 of the Evidence Act may be, this option number A, direct only. Question number 13. Which of the following cannot be exploited by assigning or licensing the rights to others? This is option number C, geographical indication. Question number 14. Triple bottom line is, this is option number A, an accounting tool that looks at the impact on people, planet and profits. Question number 15. The Supreme Court of India quashed the following constitution amendment in toto. This is option number C, 99. Question number 16. Rajan has fired his employer only after a service of 5 months in breach of a 24 months of employment contract. Rajan is entitled to recover as damages. This option number C, salary for 19 months less what he could have earned in another job had he made reasonable efforts to find another suitable job. Question number 17. Sale of Goods Act 1930 came into force on, this is option number C, 1st of July 1930. 18. Moral pressure is involved in the case of, this option number B, undue influence. 19. An agreement whereby a ship is hired for the exclusive use is called option number D, A and B, chartered party as well as voyage agreement. 20. Which of the following means that the resulting injury is greater than what is intended? This is option number D, praeter intentionem. 21. A person against whom summons has been issued may be compelled under section 32 of the CPC to attend by option number D, all of the above. Issue of a warrant, B, attachment and sale of his property, C, imposing of fine, all of the above. Question number 22. Which of the following is not an actionable claim? This is option number A, men's profit. 23. Which one of the following is not a source of Muslim law? This is option number C, hadith. 24. Austin is described as a naive empiricist because he conceives the laws in a pragmatic rather than a conceptual manner. 25. The Standard Doctrine relates to option number B, recognition of a government. 26. One of the objectives of the Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Act 1970 is to option number B, decrease the contract employed. 27. Members of the WTO are required to option number D, enforce patent rights for patent holders from other countries. 28. The provisions relating to service tax are given in option number A, Finance Act 1994, Chapter 5 and Chapter 5A. 29. List of facts of which the judicial notice has to be taken under Section 57 of the Evidence Act is option number B, illustrative only. 30. Design under the Indian Design Act 2000 doesn't include option number C, mode or principle of construction. 31. Key managerial personnel in relation to a company under Companies Act means this is option number D, the CEO or MD or the manager, the company secretary, whole-time director and the chief financial officer, and C, such other officer as may be prescribed, all of the above. 32. Constitutionally, who has the power to make laws and insurance subject? This is option number A, Parliament. 33. Contracts classified on the basis of performance are option number D, all of the above. Executed contracts, executory contracts, partly executed or partly executory contracts. 34. A condition may be treated as warrant in the following cases. This is option number C in both of the above cases, where the buyer altogether waives the performance of the condition, and B, where the buyer elects to treat the condition as one of warranty. 35. Ram Kumar Kundu versus McQueen is related to option number B, ostensible owner. 36. Dower in Muslim law is option number D, an obligation imposed upon the husband to as mark of respect for wife, consideration for marriage, C, a legal right of the wife, D, all of the above. 37. Ministers' residence are, this option number B, lower in rank than that of the minister plenipotentiary. 38. In which of the following acts provisions were made for restraining the right of strike and lockout? This option number B, Industrial Relation Act. 39. Which of the following issues did the Uruguay round not address? This option number D, migration. For the transfer of income without transfer of asset would be taxable in the hands of option number A, transferor only. 41. Entries in the books of accounts regularly kept in the course of business are admissible under Section 34 of Evidence Act. This is option number C, irrespective of whether they themselves create a liability or not. 42. Plant variety to be protected under the Protection of Plant Variety and Farmers Act must be, this option number D, A and B together, novel and distinct, uniform and stable. 43. Which of the following companies is a target company for the purposes of CSR under the Companies Act 2013? A company having a net worth of rupees 500 crore or more, or a turnover of rupees 1000 crore or more, or a net profit of rupees 5 crore or more during any financial year. Question number 44. In which of the following cases it was held that union government cannot dismiss a duly elected state government on the sole ground that the ruling party in the state suffered an overwhelming defeat in the general election? This is option number C, A and B. SR Bommai versus Union of India, and B, State of Rajasthan versus Union of India. 45. All that precedes an acceptance. This is option number D, offer and invitation to offer. 46. By virtue of what our Indian Parliament is not sovereign or supreme with respect to the Constitution. This is option number D, all of the above. Preamble, written Constitution, separation of power and checks and balances between three constitutional organs. 47. Through which constitutional amendment in Article 359 it has been laid down that fundamental rights under Articles 20 and 21 are enforceable during the operation of emergency. This is option number A, 44th Amendment Act. 48. Under which constitutional article review of judgment or order lies with the Supreme Court? This is option number B, Article 137. 49. What are contrabands? These are option number C, all smuggled goods. 50. In the Constituent Assembly, which parties were members? This is option number D, Congress, Muslim League, Unionist Muslim, Unionist Scheduled Caste, Krishak Puja, Scheduled Caste Federation, Sikh, Non-Congress, and C, Communist, Independent, all of the above. 51. An act or omission which is a result of a voluntary but not intentional misapprehension of facts is option number D, a mistake of facts. 52. Which constitutional article empowers the state legislature to adopt any state language as the official language of that state? This is option number A, Article 345. 53. Under which Supreme Court judgment action of the President to summon, prorogue and dissolve either of the House of Parliament shall be unconstitutionally acted without the advice of the Council of Ministers? This is option number B, Rao versus Indira Gandhi. 54. On the basis of contractual quasi-contractual relation is the option number B, prevention of unjust enrichment at the expense of others. 55. Conduct of business of Parliament is mentioned in the Constitution article number, option number D, none of the above. 56. Promotion of litigation in which one had no interest is option number A, Champerty. 57. Which fundamental rights article is enforceable during the period of emergency? This is option number C, both A and B. 58. Calvo clause means, it means option number C, an alien agrees not to seek the diplomatic protection of his own state. 59. On the coming into force of the Companies Act 2013, this option number A, Companies Act 1956 and Registration of Companies Act 1961 stand repealed, provided that Part 9A of the Companies Act 1956 shall be applicable mutatis mutandis to producer company. 60. What is the meaning of the adjournment motion under parliamentary procedure? This is option number D. Member wants to draw the attention of the House to recent matters of urgent public importance having serious consequences. So, this is the end of the session, and I hope you all have loved it. Make sure that you have subscribed to the channel, because every day I am posting a new video, and for other such informative videos, do check out the playlist section of the channel, share the channel among millions, and till we meet the next time with the subjective part of the session, have a nice day. Goodbye.